Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In Fidelity versions 2025.1 and newer, a new capability has been introduced in the result analysis context, enabling the creation of Isoclip Surfaces. This feature allows for precise clipping of cutting planes and bodies based on both field quantities and geometric definitions. With this enhancement, we can now isolate targeted regions of the flow field, making it especially valuable across a wide range of applications. Let's review how to use this feature. Here, I have run a pressure-based simulation on the turbo compressor tutorial. I will start by activating the result analysis by clicking on the plot symbol next to the simulation name. Notice that I have already created a cutting plane through the volute, and I would like to show a color contour on only part of the cut. Click on the icon to create an isoclip. Select the option Add Cartesian Plane or Add Cylindrical Plane to clip your surface with a geometric plane. Once you click on any of these options, the corresponding tab will pop up where a Cartesian or a cylindrical plane can be generated. You can use the Control key and middle mouse button to move the plane interactively. By clicking Add Plane, the newly defined plane is added to the clipping parameters list. Select the surface or surfaces you want to clip, in this case the cutting plane, and click Apply to generate the isoclip. We can now use the isoclip as support for a color contour or other probes. We can also use a quantity to create an isoclip. Select a quantity on the field list to use as a clipping parameter, as well as the condition under which the clipping should be taken place, for example, greater than or less than. And click on the Add parameter to apply the criteria. Afterwards, the clipping parameters section will be updated with the chosen parameters. Note that an isoclip cannot be used as support for surface streamlines, but still it can be used as support for seeding of streamlines. This allows the user to only seed from a clipped part of a surface. Finally, you can of course add multiple clipping parameters of the same or of different kinds. We could have a field condition, a Cartesian plane, and a cylindrical plane conditions. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a great Tuesday.